In this video, I will guide you on how to connect the K9 wireless mic to your phone. Also, if you have tried to connect it and it is not working with your Android mobile phone or literally any phone you have, I'm going to give you a couple of solutions that will fix that problem for you. Out of the box, the K9 wireless microphone comes with the USB-C receiver that looks just like this, and then it also comes with two microphones that looks just like this as well. If you're connecting it to an iPhone, you might also have to use an adapter like this one. This is basically a USB-C to a Lightning port adapter, but specifically you can only use this if you want to connect it to an iPhone or iOS device. Before we proceed, I usually recommend you make sure you charge your K9 wireless microphone 30 minutes before use so that you have enough power, and then after charging them you want to get your USB-C receiver now, and to connect it to your Android phone you just want to proceed to plug it to the charging port, usually over here on your phone. And once you do that, you can now proceed to turn on the microphones. Now, to turn on the microphones, you have to just flip it this way and you're going to see the power logo over here and the button just below it. So you want to just long press on the buttons and you're going to see some lights over here indicating when the microphone is actually turned on and when it has actually connected with the receiver, which is also connected to your phone. So you want to long press on this power button to turn on the microphone. You can also do the same thing for the other microphone as well. Once it turns on, if your receiver is properly connected to your phone, you should see a steady green light or a steady blue light. But if in your case you're seeing a blinking blue and red light or a blinking green and red light, then it means that the microphone is not yet properly connected with your phone. There are also some instances where even after you're seeing a steady blue light or a steady green light, it might also not work out with your phone. In any of these cases, to fix the problem, you want to go over to the settings of your phone, and then from the settings at the top search input you want to go ahead and search for OTG. Now make sure you select OTG from over here and then make sure you turn on the OTG option. If it is grayed out, you want to go ahead and first of all remove the USB-C receiver from your phone and then just toggle on the USB OTG just like so, and then you can now go ahead and plug back your receiver. And once you plug it, give your microphone a couple of seconds, and after some seconds you're going to notice that it is now going to be showing a steady blue light or a steady green light, indicating that it has now connected to your phone. And at this point you can use your native phone's camera to go ahead and record videos or even record audios. However, if you're having the problem where even after it is connected it is still not working with the camera application on your phone, in that case you want to go over to the Google Play Store and then make sure you download and install the Open Camera application. You can see the app over here. Select it and then install it into your phone. Once it is installed, you can tap on the open button over here, give the app all of the permission it requires. So click on while using this app, click on OK at this point, and then you want to go over to the settings, go over to video settings, and then where we have the audio source over here, you want to select that and make sure it is set to external microphone. And once you do that, you can now make your videos using the Open Camera application on your phone, and trust me, this works absolutely well and fixes the problem most of the time. And I hope this was helpful. Please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.